Hello friends, today we understand what are the characteristics which are important in case of heavy fuel oil and how these characteristics influence on engines. So first of the most important characteristics is viscosity. Viscosity fluctuate widely in case of heavy fuel oil. So in case of heavy fuel oil, the recommended value for the viscosity is around 11 centi-stroke CST to 14 CST. So it is very much important to maintain the viscosity in this range for the proper combustion. Second important characteristic is specific gravity. So if the specific gravity level is high, it means the asphaltene content will be higher. If asphaltene will be higher, the diesel index will be lower. So because of the high molecular aromatic hydrocarbon, because of this, ignition performance will be lower. Ignition performance will reduce because asphaltene content is high. So ignition performance will reduce. So how we ignite, how we improve the performance in case of this? So we can improve by using higher compression ratio, by designing the optimal combustion chamber shape and structure for the engine. And the second thing, we do preheating for the engine and the pre-treatment of the fuel oil to be carried out so that asphaltene content will be reduced. The next important characteristic is vanadium. So if the vanadium content is higher for the fuel oil, the high temperature corrosion of the exhaust valve will take place. This vanadium content, if become higher, then the high temperature corrosion will take place on the exhaust valve. So how to prevent this? To prevent this, cooling of the exhaust valve face and use of corrosion resistant material are necessary. We will provide the cooling of the exhaust valve face and use of the corrosion resistant material is required. The fourth important characteristic is alumina and silica. Alumina and silica, these are the catalyzers in the fluid catalytic cracking fuel oil. So what will happen if the alumina or silica catalyzers are more? If this is high, this will cause the abnormal wear in engine sliding parts. In the engine sliding parts, the wear will be more. So how to deal with this? For this, we have to install proper pre-treatment equipment to deal with this kind of oil, and so that the wear particle size should not be more than 3 to 5 microns. Microns means 10 to the power minus 6 meter. So we have to maintain the oil to remove the particles of size more than 5 microns. So the next, what is important characteristic is carbon residue. So in case of carbon residue, if the excessive carbon residue will cause the combustion products to remain in the combustion chamber. It will cause the combustion products to remain. in the combustion chamber, especially in the case of low load operation. And such residue on the sliding parts of the engine will result in excessive wear. So wear rate will be higher and the lube oil consumption will increase. So how to deal with this problem? To deal with this problem, the engine must be designed to reduce the adverse effect of the combustion products. And regarding wear, lubrication should be provided properly and the employment of the good quality of material components should be there. The higher material quality of the engine components and the proper lubrication should be provided. Lubrication should be very much efficient and the material quality should be higher for the engine components. So the next characteristic is sulfur. So high sulfur content will cause low temperature corrosion of the combustion chamber. And to deal with this problem, the temperature of the combustion chamber must be kept in the appropriate level. So if the temperature will maintain of the combustion chamber, so it will not cause the low temperature corrosion.